Bake your way to Bliss, spiced apple coffee cake recipe. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make a delicious and cozy spiced apple coffee cake that's perfect for any time of day. This cake is packed with warm spices and juicy apple chunks, making it the perfect treat to enjoy with a cup of coffee or tea. So, without further ado, let's get started. Ingredients. For the cake: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon ground allspice, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 cups peeled and chopped apples. For the topping: 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, softened. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9-inch cake pan with butter or cooking spray. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and allspice. Set aside. In a separate large bowl, beat the butter and sugar together until light and fluffy. Add in the eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with the milk, beginning and ending with the dry ingredients. Stir in the vanilla extract and chopped apples. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan, and spread it out evenly. In a small bowl, mix together the flour, granulated sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. Cut in the softened butter with a fork or pastry blender until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Sprinkle the topping evenly over the cake batter. Bake the cake for 40 to 45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes before removing it to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, a delicious and easy spiced apple coffee cake that's perfect for any occasion. We hope you enjoyed this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes like this one. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.